In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format messages in Slack. To get started, open your web browser and head to your favorite search engine. In the search bar, type Slack, then click the official Slack website in the results. This will open Slack in your browser so you can access your workspace. If you use the desktop app, don't worry, the formatting works the same way there too. Once you're looking at a channel or a direct message, click into the message box at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll write and format your text. Go ahead and type a short line so you have something to work with. To make text bold, place an asterisk immediately before and after a word or phrase. For example, add an asterisk at the start and another at the end, with no spaces touching the word, and Slack will render it in bold. Bold is great for headings, action items, or deadlines that need attention. If the formatting doesn't appear, double-check that there isn't a space between the asterisks and the text. To italicize, use an underscore before and after the text. Keep the underscores tight against the text with no spaces inside. Italics are perfect for subtle emphasis, clarifications, or notes that shouldn't overpower the main message. To add a strikethrough, wrap the text with a tilde at the beginning and at the end. Strikethrough is handy for marking something as done, showing edits, or indicating that a value has been replaced by a new one while keeping the original visible. For a bulleted list, start a new line and type a dash followed by a space. As soon as you press the space, Slack converts it into a bullet. Type your first item, press Enter to create the next bullet, and continue. You can also convert a plain line into a bullet by moving your cursor to the start, adding a dash and a space, and continuing your text. When you're done with the list, press Enter twice to return to normal text. For a numbered list, begin the line with a number and a period, followed by a space, like 1, period, space, and then your text. Slack detects the pattern and continues the numbering automatically when you press Enter. If numbering gets out of sequence, just type the next number manually and Slack will align it. Type your message naturally and combine these formats when needed. Keeping the symbols directly against your text is the key to making the formatting work. That's it. You've learned how to open Slack, click the message box, write your message, and format it with bold, italics, strikethrough, bulleted lists, and numbered lists. Try it in your next message to make your writing clearer and more engaging.